Steve.
Huh?
It look fancy.
It doesn't matter if it doesn't look fancy.
Well, there are 2 little highlights on it. It's just not a lot. Just 2 little highlights.
Okay.
Just because everything should have something for a highlight.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of filming. I don't know if you want to be in it or not.
You filming yourself?
Yeah,
No,
I'm just,
I don't care at all.
okay.
Alright.
All right, this is Deb. She's on the carpentry team, and they're working on my bed. They finished the bed. Look how well this is.
Perfectly. She's a little bit
Yes.
longer on the back side, a little bit shorter on the front side, so we cut the board with a 1/4 inch angle on the outside edges, so it's absolutely perfectly along this wood edge right here.
Yes, now my bed will be level now.
Yep.
Finally.
Nicked out a little bit on this corner to make room for this heater. Is this a heater?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. And they're working on my box.
Supports underneath with these blue lines are marked where there are extra supports to support the 3/4 plywood.
Yeah.
So it's sturdy as can be.
Yeah. And they're working on my box. Okay. Sorry about the shaking, you guys. Until I can get a gimbal, you have to put up with it. I've been wiping down the inside of the van. I swept her out, though she still needs to be vacuumed. But Salem's just been a good boy. He's kicking back. He's on a leash, so he can go in and out, but he just can't get involved. Okay, so, sorry about the fast movement. So here is what the van build looks like now. We are full. This is the carpentry area that I'm in. And that's Ray, and I'm not sure what the other guy's name is, but they're building my box for the bed. Oh my God, I mean for the back. Oh, that's great, I love it.
Like this.
Oh, that's great.
Like this, just get a little tip.
Yes, yes.
Just a little something to make it a little more fancy.
Yes, that's great. Yes. Okay. All right. Now, my friend Tina from Montana has got a new rig. She's no longer in a minivan. That's her rig right down there. And later, of course, we'll visit with her. All right. So the carpentry team has a mascot. They didn't want to use Salem as a mascot. This is their mascot. Check this out. Again, sorry about the shaking. This is the mascot. I don't know what they call her, but she is one wild-looking chick. Okay. And here's some more of the rigs. Lots of buses of all different kinds. We got porta potties everywhere, which is really good. And there's more parking back there. Is the quiet area further back. There's people, the whole area is just booked up. Yeah. And let's see what else is going on over here. I'll take you to the front of the carpentry area. All right. So check out this Deb, the lady who's on the carpentry team. This is her bicycle. Is that cool or what? That looks comfortable. Yep. And this is where they're cutting all the wood and getting it ready. And also over here they have a staging area. Right here, there's a staging area. He's cutting up wood. Right there is the main carpentry bus, right here. And then across the way we have, that's Steve's bus. He's in charge of the window fans. I mean the ceiling fans. Steampunk Steve. Some of you may be subscribed to his channel. Okay. And look, we have a little puppy over there. Oh, isn't he cute? Hi. All right, so I'm going to stop recording right now, and I'll check back in with you guys later. This is Sylvia signing out. May your howl always be heard.